Hello guys, this is Anshadri and you are watching TechKnowledge. So today I am going to show you some Chrome tricks, some Chrome shortcut tricks. So let's begin this video. If you are a Chrome user, so these tricks will help you a lot. So first trick is how to open a tab with a shortcut key. You should click Ctrl+T. Okay. After Ctrl+T, the new tab has been created. And you can make so many tabs. Ctrl+T, 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 Ctrl+T. Okay. And if you want to close these tabs, so you have to click Ctrl+F4. Like Ctrl+F4, Ctrl+F4, Ctrl+F4. By clicking Ctrl+F4, the current tab will be vanished. Okay. And if you want to move one tab to another tab, so you should click Ctrl+Tab. Okay. And if you want to create a new window of Chrome, so you should click Ctrl+N. After click Ctrl+N, the new window of Chrome has been created. That's it guys. If you like this video, so please like my video and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.